This is my 2010 Fiat Panda 4x4 1.2 petrol that I bought off eBay and saved from the scrap heap. It was sold as spares or repairs because it had numerous faults, the most concerning of which was a misfire. This could have been a huge problem, so I set about trying to solve that before I invested any other time in changing any other parts and replacing any other components. Now, with respect to my misfire issue, I know from the error code P303 or P0303 that the error code relates to cylinder number 3. That is the cam belt side of the engine, so that is cylinder 1. This is the gearbox side of the engine, and that is cylinder 4. So I know that cylinder 3 is this one over here. Well, this will be spark plug number 3, cylinder 3 will be down here. And just having a look at these leads, this one doesn't look to be that secure, to be honest. I will change the spark plugs anyway, but if I can cure the misfire, just by popping off the spark plug, that'll be fabulous. Look how that baby is shaking. It's shaking. We are going to see if we can diagnose this misfire problem. I have help today, and he's a professional mechanic. So we should get to the bottom of this. This is number 3 where the fault is. We're going to see if we're getting any spark from the coil packs over there. This motor has 2 coil packs down the side, not the 4-pack one, and we're going to see if we can figure this out. So this is a new spark plug. This is a spark tester, which you plug into the end of the coil, see if it sparks, and then you need a 16mm spark plug socket, and basically this will go over the top, get on there quite nicely, and pop the old one out if we need it.
It's better not to. You should feel it.
Okay, there you go.
Just put it on the plug.
I'll turn it over.
1 second. You should be. You'll be able to see it immediately if it's going to work.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Fingers clear.
Oh, she's overfueling terribly.
You can see it's getting a good spark on yours. So.
Okay. So we are getting good spark through the tester. So we are now going to pull the plug out and see if that see if it solves the problem.
So again, that's probably worth looking at as well.
That is
it's rich.
The plug.
Not,
yeah, it's
not
running
combusting properly. I'm just wondering if it's tracking. Do you want to just run it and see if it's tracking across the center electrode? Plug isn't firing properly at all. It goes a couple of times, then it tracks along the center.
Right, new plug.
Plug down well. Also, starting it like that blows away any
crud.
Crud around the hole.
Nip that
so
up.
Again, what's the mileage on this? Close to 100.
No, it's 135 or something.
Okay.
So now we're just going to reconnect the spark plug wire, which looks in good condition. Alright, so just fire it up and see.
Fire up and see what happens.
I
think that might have been a problem.
Alright, misfire
Am I
cured.
good? I told you what it was even before I'd actually looked at it.
Yeah.
See, I'm good.
Great. Okay, cool. Let's just
Probably
do
want
it.
to
Let's
change
do
the rest
all
of
of
the
them.
plugs now.
Well, yeah, 4 new plugs, please. Let's go. And that was how simple it was to cure the misfire problem on this little car. And to think that it was about to get scrapped because of that. Step number 2 on the Panda fix to replace the rad fan. And this is an unboxing video which excites many people. New fan. Now does that come with the ballast resistor? No, it doesn't. So this is from Nissan's, not Nissan, or Nissan.
Nissans.
Panda get new fan.